One of the most frequent questions that we get asked within my team of parent support specialists within the Witherslack group is, where do I start? How do I get an EHCP? So the first place that you would look is on your local authority's local offer. It's basically a directory that's put together to offer all of the support and guidance and information on what the local authority offer for send parents and send children. On that website, they should have a section that points you to their application process. It's important to remember that although local authorities often have different ways of applying for an EHCP, such as things like, they call them hubs, where you go online and you actually apply through a hub, there isn't a legal set way that you have to do it. You can put it in writing to the SEND team within your local authority. You would usually address it to the senior officer within the SEND team, which would be possibly the Director of Children's Services. Or if you're happy sort of navigating these hubs and these quite complex systems, to just go on, follow their instructions on there. It's really important to remember that when you're putting the application in, the more information that you can gather at that point will strengthen your application, so it's not sort of knocked back at the first stage. And yeah, you go online, you pop in your child or young person's information, you would basically describe why you think they need an EHCP, what you feel their special educational needs are, and why you feel that they need an EHCP in order to support them within the school.